Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is GCSE exam sprint series. This question is about inverse functions. In GCSEs you can get questions on inverse functions, composite functions, sometimes combinations of both. But this question is just on inverse functions, and I'll add some more questions on combined and composite functions later. Pause the video and give this a try. When you want to check the answer, press play. So let's do this question. Now, step 1, write y is equal to the function. So let's do that. Y is equal to 3x add 7. Make x the subject. Okay, move the 7 to this side. Y take away 7 is equal to 3x. Divide by 3, divide by 3, cross them out. That is the second step. Replace your y by x to get the final answer. So you get here inverse function of x is this thing here. However, you need to replace your y by x. So let's get the answer. X minus 7 over 3. Second part, find the value of inverse function of 22. So inverse function of 22. You put 22 here. When you put that, it goes there. So that's 22 take away 7 divided by 3. 22 take away 7 is 15 divided by 3. And your answer is